YouTubers, it's me, Jeremy. Welcome to my channel, and right now we're en route to Beijing. Mga 6 hours to na train ride. This is a bullet train, but since winter, mas mabagal daw yung takbo. So, darating tayo na around 6 to 7, between 6 to 7 hours. Ha?
2 p.m.
2 p.m. tayo dadating. Kumalis tayo ng mga around
8:15.
8:50. See you. Tulog muna. Papantok. Yan. Pinakabilis yung train. Pwede ka magsali ng tubig na hindi ka matapo.
Hindi.
Stable.
Pagpapatunay na kahit gano'n kabilis yung train, hindi mararamdaman sa loob, walang vibration, walang vibrator. Yeah, 6 hours. 6. Pero hindi natin naramdaman, no, in fairness. Sobrang
Kasi tulog ka.
sobrang smooth ang travel. Walang lubak-lubak.
Pero kung ano plano yan, inip na inip na. Dito hindi ako naiinip.
Anong temple to? Anong pangalan?
Temple of Heaven.
Temple of Heaven. May snow daw dito 2 or 3 weeks ago. Ayan, may remnants pa. Ayan, yan, naabutan. Yung mga punong nakabarricade ng itim, ano rin yun, mga 640 years old na. So, depende dun sa kulay. Ito, ayan, may QR din siya for information. It's an old tree. Grabe, parang ilang generations na ang pinagdaanan ng punong yan. Buhay pa rin siya nakatayo. Ganong katibay yung tree na yan dito sa Temple of Heaven. So, hindi pala yung kulay ng barricade sa tree. Yung palang tag pala na nakayakap sa kanya. So pag green, more than 100, less than 300. The red one is more than 300, less than 600. So between 300 to 600 years ito pag red. The black ones are yun yung 600 and up. Medyo uphill lang pero okay naman. Kayang-kaya. It's an easy slope. Ito yung daming tao dun. Ganda dito, kailan daming tao. Dito mo talaga magagamit yung clean-up feature ng iPhone. Pag nag-picture ka, bura-bura na lang yung tao sa background. Nice siya. Laki. Massive. So dito rin nagdadasal yung mga tao for good harvest and for rain tuwing tagtuyot dito sa Beijing.
Well taken care of.
That's why
Tama.
Yeah.
people need you because they need your care.
Achikacho. You with Achikacho us.
Achikacho. I see. So okay, I learned a new word.
So nice to get away, just for a moment, just for a day. We can drive.
I'm starting to love Beijing more kasi parang mas nire-represent niya yung luma at saka yung bago at the same time. Yung lumang China and the new, parang pinagsama nila. Akin to how I am. Like I'm an old soul, but I'm very modern. I have very modern views in life. Ayun. So parang I somehow mirror with the place, with this city, this Beijing, as a personality. Parang pwede siya. Dami ko na naman sinabi. Sabi ko kasi parang since luma siya at bago at the same time, parang ako din in a way. Because I'm an old soul, but I have very modern views about life, sabi ko.
Tama. Ako, I'm old soul also. At the same time, old na rin.
Daming kainan dito. Ay yung lake. Kaya pala tayo pinalakad.
Bicycle or on
So dito sa Hutong merong lake. Ayan yung lake. Tapos pwede rin mag-ice skate dyan pag winter. Tumitigas daw yan. Ayan, mas maganda raw to sa gabi. Kaya dinaan na tayo ng guide natin si Peter. Although pupunta rin yata tayo dito bukas sa umaga.
Can we stay? Let's just stay. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine.
Huli-huli ka sa camera. Nagtataray ka, be.
Can you please say soft ice cream? Milk drink by Mr. Achikat.
Only in Beijing.
Only in Beijing. Fermented, ano siya? Fermented
Juice. Yeah.
fermented juice.
Soy milk? Soy milk?
Bulin yan.
Smell first.
Mabaho. Mabaho.
Para may naaalala daw.
Oo nga.
Yan. Oo nga. Weh. Red, parang amoy red bean. Green bean nga. Amoy red bean.
Green bean, green bean.
Red bean nga eh.
Ang taas.
Amoy lang. Di mo gusto?
Sama? Sama? Ay! May tanong ako.
Ang baho! AJ.
Baka masira siya mo, wag na. Don't risk it.
You like it?
It smells like...
I would try it kung last day na eh, pero may 4 na araw pa tayo dito. Day 1 in Beijing. May kulot. Day 1 in Beijing. Yan. Anong itinerary today?
Upmark.
Tsaka Popmart Park. Tsaka Forbidden City.
Forbidden City Tiananmen.
And Tiananmen Square. Ako rin sumagot.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are in Beijing.
So that's the parliament here in Beijing.
KFC, American food. I want to see that. First KFC in
first
China,
KFC.
1987.
Wow.
Every single moment.
Covered about the
Sa Tiananmen Square daw tayo. Ito yung dating area ng Tiananmen Square. Old side.
It's a sign we should do tonight again. Even in
That's one thing. In the further one, so that's National Museum.
National
Museum
Museum.
of China.
So that's the entrance to the Forbidden City. Makikita mo yung photo ni Mao Zedong. He ruled China for 41 years.
those wicked problems are evaporating.
Welcome to Forbidden City. Hi, Ma.
Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do
So, 5 part pala yung Forbidden City. I think nasa second to the last na tayo. Marami namang resting points. So, may mga upuan, may mga toilet. It's an experience. I think you'll need half a day to fully immerse yourself in Tiananmen Square and Forbidden City. So, you need to allot the time. Like, one day dito na kayo para, alam mo, hindi kayo masyadong haggard. Makita mong frozen na yung water surrounding the Forbidden City. Have finally arrived here in Pa-sweet. Naiihina kasi siya, guys.
Hangin pa.
This 2026 Happy New Year
Baby
passport,
girl.
Year of the Horse. They're frozen in lake, and the lake's right in front of the palace, adorned with space molly. third floor is a restaurant. Siya. So they have this ship as a coffee shop. If you're craving for some sweets or kung nilalamig ka, gusto magkape, punta ka lang dito. Pasukin natin. It's called the Yum Explorer. Set up. Yeah. May churros dito. Hi, Ian.
Hello! Si Sir John, ayun oh, hinahanap ka.
Dim sum for dinner. Paki-translate na lang. Ano? Day 2 or day 3 in Shanghai. Ay, in Shanghai, in Beijing. Good morning, it's breakfast time and today we're going to Great Wall of China. So the weather now is I think -9 degrees. So nag-layer talaga tayo ng malala. Sana kayanin ng 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Siguro kaya na. Matibay naman ako sa lamig. Masungit sila sa egg station. So kumuha na lang ako nung naka-ready na itlog. But usually I'd order egg white omelette.
Bago tayo makarating sa Great Wall, sakay muna tayo ng shuttle.
To North
Pagdating
Point.
Shuttle sa North Point and then
Cable
mag-cable car.
yes.
And then cable car 7 minutes, no?
Not sure.
Darating
7
tayo sa
minutes?
7 minutes?
Okay.
Point 14.
Yeah, 14.
Yeah.
Yes,
Wow,
14.
paying attention. So ito na yung uphill walk, around 300 meters going to North Point. So meron kang option to take the footpath sa South Point section. Yung mga I think number 1, 2, yan. Kasi yung mga point lang na hanggang pwede ka doon sa 20. Lahat na may orange na Chinese characters, prohibited zone na yun. So tating dala-dala niya lagi yung passport niyo. Dahil sakay, cable car. Paakyat. Ready? So maximum of 8 persons lang per cable car. So number 14 tayo bumaba. So pag lalakad ka, start ka sa number 1. Tayo nasa gitna tayo agad, right smack in the center. We're here. So dito rin shoot yung film na Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon and the live action remake of Mulan.
Storms on the roof.
Please take good care of the elderly, kids, and the sick, and watch out for your safety.
Now they're ruined.
So ilang kilometers daw tong Great Wall of China?
67,000 ba? O 67,000.
67,000 kilometers?
Oo.
No.
Oo.
Ilang kilometers? 67,000?
Oo.
Totoo ba?
So 6,700.
Parang OA 67,000.
Ilang kilometers na? 6,700 or 67,000? 7. Kasi nga, kaya if we're flying via plane, 6 hours nga eh. Oo.
Totoo ba yan?
Oo.
We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine, you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you had mine, you had mine. Don't forget what's behind the concrete.
Nagsusnow, kuya. Bangon na. Eto, snore. Sa labas, snow. Dito, snore. Ayan, nagsusnow nga. Snowing. It's snowing. Oh my God. We're so lucky.
I said at end of this month, but now it come earlier.
Lasang hot pot.
Bikes down broken streets. We chase the sun.
Grabe. Paano mo nagagawa yan? Lahat kami ngangatog, no? Ayun yung restaurant. So, pa-cultural ang labanan.
I don't care as long as I can have your
So, this restaurant is called Yaola Curve. And it's owned by a comedian. Sikat siya sa industry dito sa China. And they serve northeastern cuisine. Ayun, so I'm not entirely sure how different it is from mga previous dinner namin, but I'm sure it's gonna be good since ang tagal na itong restaurant na ito. And katabi ng restaurant, meron silang theater. That's where they perform. Tapos sinasabi ng guide namin si Peter, marami na siya mga apprentice na tinuturuan. Ayan po siya.
What can you say about the show and the food?
Dami ko naintindihan. Wala akong naintindihan action.
Ako naintindihan ko yung story based on actions and the way they dance. Magkukuha ka ng context clue sa galaw. Because sometimes, some things are better left unsaid. And you just have to prove everything with actions.
Noodles. Pansin ko yung carbs sinuhuli nila. I think it's a filler, no? So, kung trip mo mag-food trip, punta ka lang dito. Malapit sa Tiananmen Square. Ito yung address, ito yung location. Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Naka-Chinese character kasi lahat. Kaya magbibili kayong pasalubong okay dito. All kinds of nuts nandito. Merong silipin natin. Hindi lang nuts, pati seeds. All kinds of seeds. Pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds, the pop beans, peanuts. Mother, hi. Morning, Xiao Xiao Hao.
Morning.
Xiao Xiao Hao, morning.
Grabe nangangagat yung lamig.
Paano yung kagat? Happy birthday, Chikachu! Birthday mo. May Pop Mart dito, oh. Oh, di ba? Kompleto. Parang dito na rin yung shopping. Walang Woody Woodpecker na babae, no?
Oo naman.
Anong pangalan?
Woody Woodpecker.
Okay, Ollivanders. This is the one that I have. Voldemort's wand. This is Dumbledore's, of course, the Elder Wand. Yeah. Maganda rin yung kay ano eh. Death Eater, ganda rin oh. Ito rin oh. Yung mga Death Eater na ano, Mad Eye Moody naman, maganda rin. Tuna love food. Where are we?
Lights, camera. Ano ba yung kasunod?
Action. Bahay ni Gru. Attraction siya dito. So, across Funland. So, ako lang ang sasakay. Exit sila lahat. The Gru. Ito yung waiting area no ride. Let's go, let's do this.
You know I'm working. You know I'm
Sobrang na-busy na lahat ng pagkakuha ng butterbeer. Ubus na. We got a souvenir. Ito na yun. This is it. Ikot-ikot na tayo ng Hogsmeade. Sa mga hindi Harry Potter fans, ang Hogsmeade, nandito lahat. From Ollivanders, nandito lahat ng mga bilihan nila. Yan. And in this case, nandito naman lahat ng mga merch ng Harry Potter. Grabe si si... Thinking about it, grabe si... Ang pangalan niya? Si J.K. Rowling. Hanggang ngayon kumikita siya sa royalty sa paggamit ng pangalan ng Harry Potter. This is the entrance to the Kung Fu Panda attraction na sabi nila dito lang daw meron sa Universal Studios Beijing. Lapit na, tira lang. Boat ride lang daw to. Pero feeling ko may drop kasi ba't kami umakyat? Ba't may pa-stairs? Ayan na! May drop to! Ayan na! Ayan na! Let's go! Prince Charming.
The latest grade.
Custom made. Yes.
No one else has one like it.
Show us darling. Okay, let me see. Yes.
Should I do
Yes.
a
All the way
runway?
around. Yes. Take it to the runway. Take it to the runway. Runway. Very good, darling. Yes. Fantastic. Is it perfect? Of course. Yes, it's incredible. All right, give it a rest, Julia. Michael.
Sorry, I like to feel it.
I know you.
For this year, na this is my first trip for the year. So, thank you so much and I am very grateful na I have a new clients like you guys na hindi ko siya consider as new client but as a family na rin. Ano? Thank you so much everyone.
For me, the still the first group from Philippines. Still for the maybe last group. Last group for this year. So, but you give me very good impression. Yeah, I haven't been the Philippines, but I know from your words and from your conversation, I know the Philippines is very beautiful country. Yeah, it's a nice place to visit. Have there lots of the nature, some beach area. Still have the natural, some other like resorts to visit. I make a little decision. Maybe one day we can meet in Manila. Okay. What's the meaning, Uncle?
We love you.
Mahal kayo.
And this is it, Georgios and Jerry Bears. I hope you enjoyed our Beijing trip with Team Layas and the entire family. Everyone's really happy, and some of us may have caught the cold, but we also caught so much memories. Till our next vlog, see you. Always remember, this is Jeremy. The more you eat, the more you love.